Sельвади in on a single here.
Yeah, Raджabov's got to keep his hands up as well. When he's exiting from the grappling scenarios, the hands are low. Even as he's walking in there. Nice double leg for Sельвади. Again, the hands drop is a sign of fatigue. You're getting tired, you make mistakes, you drop the guard, you don't stop the takedowns.
And Sельвади will not slow down. He's going to keep this pace as we get to the third round.
Conditioning is one of the most valuable assets you have in the fight game. It doesn't matter how good you are. As soon as you start getting tired, it's over.
Yeah.
You make mistakes. You don't want to be there. The will, the heart, the determination. You just want to get out of there. It's the worst feeling in the world.
When you start doing things you're not supposed to, you start throwing harder than you should. You start trying to find the door. Look, these fighters will not give up on themselves. They're not going to... When Mike says you want to be out of there, you want to win and get out of there. You're not trying to give up. So what you start to do is you start to throw harder. You overextend on your punches. And then you also really find yourself in worse positions.
Nice work there. Seconds around two. Nice shot. Oh, nice uppercut from Raджabov. Next Saturday night, you may have heard rising UFC superstar Sean O'Malley making the first defense of his title against Ecuador's finest import, Marlon Chito Vera, and that is not all. UFC superstar Dustin Poirier takes on French destroyer Benoit Saint-Denis. It's UFC 299, March 9th from Kaseya Center in Miami, Florida. You can watch it exclusively on ESPN Plus pay-per-view and buy it now through March 4th. Membership a special offer, save $10. ESPNplus.com/UFC 299 for details.
So safe side in the corner. Sельвади said, listen, this guy's dead, he's done, he's tired, but I tell you what, Raджabov's still fighting, still dangerous. Just missed that.
Nice left hand there from Sельвади. Oh, that's it! Your right hand connection for Loik Raджabov.
That's it. It's going to be done.
Yeah, that'll do it. Loik Raджabov taking the judges out of it at the apex.
Wow.
Wow, indeed. I mean, just as everybody thought.
His biggest UFC win today.
Let's take a look at it here. Big right hand over the top, just kind of glances over the table. Sельвади hits the deck hard, and these follow-up shots, I thought he was unconscious, to be fair. The way that he dropped, really bad visual. Looks like he might have been for a second. Yeah. But then these follow-up shots, and of course referee Chris Tagnoni gave him all the opportunities to recover, but that was it. That was all she wrote. Great fight and a fantastic stoppage.
There's a reaction from the corner. Dmitry Solyakov, Jason Strout, and the rest. Huge result for Loik Raджabov. Back to Vegas in 30 seconds.